Hey guys, thank you for watching the Graham Strategy channel. We follow a portfolio of stocks chosen based on the Graham 7 criteria for the defensive stock investor. Like always, I start by reminding you that I'm not a financial advisor and I do not make any recommendations on what you should or should not buy or sell. The past few months have been quite turbulent for the stock market. Trump's tariffs caused a crash and then the pause made the stock market recover somewhat. Many investors do not know how to act as the uncertainties make the market very unpredictable. Many have fled to gold, which today reached an all-time high of $3,400 per ounce. And just before this turbulence, I rebalanced the Graham portfolio and we will have a look at how the strategy copes with the market turbulence. The investment has been running for a little over 4 years now, and the portfolio was rebalanced for the 8th time on March 6th. The Graham valuation of Swedish stocks at the day of rebalancing looked like this. No company fulfilled all 7 criteria, and only 5 companies fulfill 6 of the 7 criteria. So 2 stocks will remain in the portfolio, Betsson and JM, and 3 were sold. SKF, Skanska and Boliden. And they were replaced by Peab, Hexatronic and Evolution. So that there will be the 5 top companies based on the Graham criteria that will be part of the portfolio. The reason why the 3 companies that were sold no longer qualified for the Graham portfolio was that their stock value had gone up, and thus the price to earnings and price to book values dropped, making them lose 1 or 2 Graham points. The gain since the rebalancing on September 6th last year until the stock was sold on March 6th was 35% for SKF, it was 26% for Skanska and 30% for Boliden. Quite remarkable gains. Since they were sold, all 3 have performed worse than the OMX30 index. Boliden dropped quite significantly when the tariffs were introduced, as you can see here in the graph. And as this is one of my personal long-term investments, I decided to add some more shares in another portfolio of mine, and that's why there's a circled K here at the end of April. And the OMX30 index, it has dropped 5.1% since the beginning of the year, while the Graham portfolio has actually gained 4.7%. And looking at the gain since the start of the portfolio 4 years ago, we can see that the OMX30 index has gained 14.7%, while the Graham portfolio has gained 98.2%. So almost 7 times better than the OMX30 index. Yeah, and that was all for today. Stay tuned for updates on the portfolio, subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive a reminder when I release a new video. So until next time, as always, stay sharp and follow your passion.